चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
All right, viewers, for now, let's shift focus to the other story we've been tracking very closely. This one, the Rajkot murder, which relates to the investigation into the tragedy which happened at the gaming zone in Rajkot that claimed lives of at least 28 people. Also to note here that at least while the death toll is at least 28 as of now, there are several dead bodies that are yet to be identified. So yes, the death toll could rise, but to add here that there have been a series of lapses given that this gaming zone was operational even when it did not have the required license.
That's right, Samiksha. In fact, our crew on ground is following every development, every lead, helming the investigation now in this case. And in the latest development, the Anti-Corruption Bureau has begun. Investigation raids were conducted and the arrests have been made. In fact, joining us is our correspondent Gopi. Samiksha.
Yes, let's go across to Gopi, who's joining us from Rajkot. Gopi, we understand that these are fresh. This is a fresh investigation also being conducted by the ACB. Fresh arrests also made. Take us to what exactly is happening when it comes to that probe, and also what is the death toll that has been confirmed by the officials at this stage.
Well, good morning to the viewers. Since yesterday, ACB along with the Rajkot Crime Branch together have been interrogating so many senior officials from the Rajkot Municipal Corporation. While talking about what had happened late night yesterday, it was the town planning officer, chief fire officer as well as the deputy fire officer whose residence were raided by the ACB. Later on, their offices at the Rajkot Municipal Corporation were also raided. It has been found that serious charges of corruption will be put on them because they have taken money for passing and clearing the plans while making the new residential complexes. The death toll, coming to the death toll, yes, the police commissioner himself has said that the official death toll is 28. All the bodies after the DNA report have been handed to the concerned and respective families. Now, talking about what is going to happen today, Home Minister Amit Shah is expected to reach here at 2 p.m. at the Rajkot airport before leaving for Somnath, and it is expected that he is going to meet the Rajkot officials and the BJP head of Rajkot. Back to you.
All right, Gopi, thanks for those.